Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to download Eclipse for programming in Java. First, go to your favorite browser, type Eclipse download, go to the website, click the link x8664, download. Now go to your download, you can press Ctrl J. Now you can see Eclipse is downloading. You click the executable file. Now you wait for the installer to launch. You click Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And now you click install. You can remove the ticks if you don't want a desktop shortcut or a start menu entry. Personally, I like the little icon on my desktop, so I will keep it. You accept the agreements because big companies want you to accept the agreements, so you do it. And now you wait silently. If you want, I can talk, and if you want, I cannot talk. It is a little slow because I have a Radeon processor, because my computer is from my father, but he died last year, so I just patience is the key. You just have to wait. Like Gandhi said, just wait like a rock, and the moss will go on you. Wow, very fast. Now you can click launch. Mhm. And you can enter your workspace. It's like the path to your folder where your Java files will be stored. I just keep mute my microphone because my wife is annoying me. I'm very sorry. Shut up, wife, please, thank you. Oh, and now you can create your first. Ah, Najat, shut the fuck up, please. Mm. Wow, sorry for that. Uh, I don't have a video editor program, so I can't edit my video. You will see all the background. Sorry. Ouais, c'est bon, je peux. Now you can create a new Java project. I will name it Hello. Yeah, create. Oh no, I don't want to donate. Module hello. Hey, hello. So you can type print. mm, I have a big PP. Yes. Oh no. Ah, ah. Well, okay. So I'm done. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and activate the bell. Goodbye.